Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital art and exploring how digital artists are using Canva to create stunning, professional quality artwork. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Canva offers a range of tools that can help you bring your creative visions to life. Let's get started. Canva's versatile tools for digital art. First up, let's talk about the versatile tools Canva offers for digital artists. Canva isn't just for social media posts and presentations. It's a powerful platform for creating complex art pieces. With features like custom brushes, texture effects, and advanced color tools, digital artists can create everything from abstract designs to detailed illustrations. Canva's drag-and-drop interface also makes it easy to experiment with different elements, ensuring that your creative process is smooth and enjoyable. Creating unique illustrations. One of the most popular ways digital artists use Canva is for creating unique illustrations. With an extensive library of customizable elements, artists can combine shapes, lines, and icons to build intricate designs. Plus, Canva's Magic Resize tool allows you to adjust your artwork for different platforms without losing quality. Perfect for artists who want to showcase their work across social media, websites, and more. Using Canva for mixed media projects. Digital artists are also turning to Canva for mixed media projects. Canva's integration with platforms like Pexels and Pixabay provides access to a vast library of images and textures, which can be layered and manipulated to create stunning collages and compositions. The ability to easily import your own assets means you can blend your original art with Canva's resources to create something truly unique. Collaborating on creative projects. Another key feature that digital artists love about Canva is its collaboration tools. Whether you're working on a group project or seeking feedback from peers, Canva makes it easy to share your designs and work together in real time. The Comments feature lets collaborators leave notes directly on the design, helping you refine your work and ensuring everyone's input is captured. And there you have it, just a few of the ways digital artists are using Canva to elevate their work. From creating intricate illustrations to collaborating on projects, Canva offers tools that can help you push the boundaries of your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, Genius Junkies, and keep creating!